Hi, I'm Annika Johnson from Al Johnson's in Sister Bay. I hope you enjoy my new video series called Door County Girl. These are stories of my life, the people and places that I love, and of course how we all survive here in northern Wisconsin. You can come back as often as you like, but don't forget to subscribe to Al's YouTube channel. I'll be posting lots of really cool new videos. So let's go! Welcome to another episode of Door County Girl. And today it looks like we're going to make something super tasty. We usually don't do too many snacky snacks.
Stuff.
We usually do healthy things.
This is ice cream, lingonberry syrup, cloudberry. So the reason we're pushing this is because we've waited forever to get our lingonberry concentrate and our own version of the cloudberries. So we've been dealing with Sweden forever and a company, and we finally found one that agreed to process it the way we want it done. And this came in this morning. So I was excited about it, and Kit said, hey, you got to try a milkshake. I said, I never even thought about that. Typically, we would make this is, what does the recipe call for? 4-to-1 or 5-to-1? I forget. I don't know, 5 parts water. So 1 part of this to 5 parts of water gives you an excellent cocktail style drink. And if you want to make it an adult beverage, it's great with gin, vodka, even tequila, and we make a Stockholm cooler using lingonberry concentrate. This stuff's pretty good.
We have a lingonberry mimosa.
Yes. So, but we're gonna try, because Kit asked us to make a milkshake. And we're going to try making a lingonberry style milkshake. Now, normally I would think, let's use the preserves.
Oh, yeah.
But we're going to try it making with the concentrate.
But we're using cloudberries.
No, the cloudberries is going to be for a dish of ice cream later. We're going to try that as well. So
you're making a lingonberry shake.
And we're going to have a cloudberry on top of the ice cream.
How come we don't use a little scoop of the lingonberries berries in there?
That's what I was saying. Maybe normally that's how I would make it, but we're going to try it just with the concentrate.
Just to see how it works?
Kind of like a syrup, like when they use Hershey syrup and all that.
Yep, so we're going to be the guinea pigs.
Yeah, so, and it's ice cream and milk, so who really cares if it
Darn it, we have to try this? I can't believe it.
So let's, we're just estimating here, right? Some ice cream. So the milkshakes at Al's are sacred. When we were dishwashers, you know, and they make it in what we call a silver bullet. It's a stainless steel.
We should probably get the blade.
Oh shoot, I didn't put the blade in there. Hey, I thought I was a pro at this one. I'm not.
I think we need the blade first.
I told you I'd Lucille ball this thing. All right.
We don't like to block out our mistakes.
Make a mockery out of me.
Yes.
It just sits there, not very, okay.
Make Rolf look stupid.
Yeah, that's not hard to do. But anyway, so when the salad bar girls would make a milkshake, all the scrubs were like, can I have the remnants on the bottom? Because it wouldn't fit in the glass all the way. So the bottom of the silver bullet would have like a quarter of an ounce.
Yeah, a little bit.
And we'd all fight over that milkshake. And then if they were feeling, I don't know, maybe they got special service and maybe were extra good at getting their dishes in on time and clean, then they'd I got a mistake milkshake, or whether it wasn't.
Yeah.
You know, they'd put it out there, and we'd all, give me that milkshake.
And you know, at Al's, we don't use just vanilla ice cream.
This is French vanilla.
French vanilla ice cream.
My mother insisted on French vanilla over the years.
Hence why it's so yellow.
Yellow because it's made with egg yolk.
Yep, it's really good.
And it still has cream, but usually the egg yolk is the dominating thing, so it gets more of a custard-like appearance.
I know, and people always ask us, what kind of vanilla ice cream do you use?
French vanilla.
French vanilla. Who is that? It's not Cedar Crust.
Geez, I don't remember anymore.
I'll have to look at the label. I'm
just guessing on the amount. So let's go with just under half a cup and see what happens.
Well, you know that I like the fruity fruit stuff. So we got to have enough just so we can taste it at least, right?
Just a guess. Let's try this thing again. As you know, I'm not a pro on this thing yet, but getting there. Locked. Power on. Hit the pulse. Oop, I hit the release. Okay, now do it. Looks good, huh? Let's see what it looks like.
I think you have to push that ice cream down.
Ooh, maybe with a little.
Rolf just found this Ninja blender.
And my lazy Susan.
He's still learning how to take the lid off and use it. It's his. He just had no idea it was there.
All right, wait, give it a go.
Good. More of that.
More than that?
We'll taste it first. Doesn't look very pink. Pink drink.
Oops. Here, try it.
You know me. I'm going to tell you we need more of that. No, we don't.
Yeah, pretty potent. All right, well, let's just.
We don't. That's really good. You know what? If right now you say, you want a milkshake, Annika? I'd be like, no, that doesn't even look good. But it tastes really good.
We're going to go to a Lingonberry milkshake.
It's a Lingonberry milkshake.
So when we were kids and part of the Cub Scouts, do you remember when we'd have the father and son dinner at Al Johnson's?
Yes.
At night, we'd close down, and all the troops from all the different towns would come there with their den mothers and whatever den fathers. And we always had a guest speaker, and it was usually a Green Bay Packer. One year it was John Brockington, one year it was Bart Starr, one year it was Paul Horning, you know. And to pay these guys to show up, all they wanted was a steak dinner at a local night, and usually the bowl,
right,
and a hotel room for the night.
That's it.
That was it. Okay, fast forward. Do you remember when we had that animal shelter you and I were part of?
Yeah.
And we were gonna have a guest appearance by Reggie White from the Packers.
Yeah.
So we called up and they said $25,000 appearance fee. We were hoping to make $2,500.
Yeah, that.
And I was like, well, that's out of our budget. But you know who volunteered to get a team to do stuff? Larry McCarron, because he was old school, and he said, I'll get a softball team. We'll come out there and play a softball for charity. And it was in Sturgeon Bay. It turned
and
out
Larry
pretty
McCarron's hilarious because he did a snowshoe race with Dad once too.
Yeah, he was. I'm not knocking Reggie White, but I just thought it was funny. You got to talk to our agent first. The agent said he wants $25,000 for an appearance fee, and I'm like.
And interestingly, he was part owner of the Pheasant Park.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, he was one of the
original investors.
But
But to go from the 70s when these guys would show up for a steak dinner at a night out or a hotel room for a night, that'd be it.
Yeah.
And all the kids got to meet them, and they were super pleasant and friendly and nice. And the other thing that was interesting on that night, everybody got cheeseburgers. You didn't have a choice. It was a cheeseburger and a chocolate milkshake. And we made the chocolate milkshake. I remember Hamster and Davo made the chocolate milkshake in the big thing we make the pancake batter in.
No way.
They dumped all the ice cream in there, chocolate syrup in there, put that paddle going, and then Dad would fill up all the water pitchers with...
Okay, we're talking, you don't understand how big this thing is. It's like about this
you
round.
couldn't get your arms around it, yeah.
And it's about...
Takes two people to lift it when it's full.
this deep.
So you'd pull it, and we'd start filling up I wouldn't, I was too little, but they'd start filling up the water pitchers.
Yeah.
And they'd go around there instead of water, and all your blue glasses were out, and it was just milkshakes.
Oh my gosh, how
That was the best part of the whole year.
so funny. It's like having a camp out.
Yeah. You know what Dad would always say? Make it so I can drink it through a straw.
Oh yeah, my dad does not like thick milkshakes. He likes them to be kind of runny like this.
I could adjust the ice cream next time, but it is good.
This is good.
It doesn't even turn the color that much.
No, it doesn't turn pink.
It went from yellow to kind of more white.
Excellent.
It's really, really good.
I say that's really good.
Give it a try. And we just got it in. It's available online. But now we're going to try some of those cloudberries. And you know who loves cloudberries?
Lars.
Yep.
I know. I keep trying them, thinking I'm going to love them. And they're not my favorite, but I don't dislike them. You already have some.
I scooped some up just because. And this is regular vanilla ice cream.
I just can't figure them out.
This is not French vanilla because I wanted to make sure you could taste the cloudberries.
And as a matter of fact, these are very expensive berries.
Crazy expensive. I mean, it's crazy how much
Like this is caviar berries. Like, how much is a jar? I can't even remember. A long time ago when we had them, they were like
I think we kept them under lock and key.
$13.95 or something.
Actually, they're pretty good.
They're interesting, aren't they?
Well, you know what? They taste good.
They're just,
It's like having a little chia seed in every bite, though.
yeah.
So
Now,
if you don't like seeds,
Yeah, if you don't like raspberry seeds and seeds like blackberry seeds,
because these are more profound than that.
these are super seedy, but the flavor is good.
It's really good. Mm-hmm. And you know, Lars always has this on whole wheat toast in the morning.
Really?
Mm-hmm. In place of jelly.
You know, they taste not so much like a berry to me. They taste more like something you'd put on brie or like a cheese or a sharp cheddar or something like that.
I said it kind of reminds me of kiwi, you know. Just
Kind of.
Well, because of the seed. Mm-hmm. But I will say it's very good.
And I can't even describe to you the flavor.
No, it's not like any other berry you've ever had.
No. I can't say, oh, it tastes like an apricot. Oh, it tastes like a this. It tastes like a cloudberry. Aren't cloudberries a high mountain berry?
I don't know.
Because I heard that. Maybe someone was lying. But I heard that they grow high up in the mountains and they don't grow a lot of them at a time, and that's why they're so expensive. I think we need to Google that.
We should. It doesn't say on the side of the jar anywhere, does it?
For all you people on your phones 24/7 out there,
find out all about Swedish cloudberries.
yeah, Google Swedish
curious.
cloudberries.
But
Put them in the comments.
I think that Kit and Freddie, who organized this stuff, hit a home run with it. It's
Really
Yeah.
good.
They both the lingonberry concentrate and the cloudberries. I can't say it was worth the wait because we've been waiting a long time.
Like 2 years, right?
A long time.
Yeah. I like the milkshake too.
Well, you have it. Another healthy meal on Door County Girl.
This is good. I think the kids would love the lingonberry shake.
Oh yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, and it's really good as a drink, which we would call soft.
Yes, if you just put a little water in a glass and add a little bit of this, you can do it to taste.
Yeah, but it calls for 5 to 1, but I would think a little weaker sometimes.
Yeah, I like mine a little weaker.
Or I make it, what they call for and put ice cubes in it, let them melt.
Yeah, me too.
Makes a good popsicle if you freeze it.
And it's good in your iced tea.
Yep.
Lingonberry iced tea.
And it's good with vodka.
Good with gin.
So,
Thanks everyone for joining us for ice cream and milkshakes today. And you can get our lingonberries at our store.
or online.
Or you can go online to aljohnsons.com and pick yourself up a jar of each, and you can try them out with many things. We've done cocktails in the past.
And when you get them online, Annika personally packs them and sends them.
Oh yeah? Mm-hmm. I do.
You do.
And Kit,
And
actually,
Kit.
our
And Kit.
master packer. He's the one that does it all. He just yells out when he needs help.
Yep.
Well, thanks everybody. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Door County Girl.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you're going to get all the stories that we get. You'll get them secondhand, obviously, but yeah.
Yeah, we were just saying, somebody who joins us in the background at these, she's like, how do I get the recipe? And we're like, you have to like and subscribe at the bottom of the page. And she's like, oh my God.
Although we'll probably leave one behind. So, anyway.
Thanks everyone. Hey-do.
Hey-do.
I'm gonna have some more of this. This is good ice cream too.
Thanks for watching Door County Girl. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.